Hey everyone. Couldn't sleep, got up, I think it was 3:30 in the morning, so around 5 something now. And I said, let me look around in the car and so forth, because it's a new car to me. I wasn't expecting to film anything or do any kind of work, but I said, let me check the air filter. I don't know if you guys seen my Z3 air filter thing, where the filter was original from 1999. I wasn't expecting this. Let me show you what I found on this one. This is a 2005 330 Ci with good maintenance records from BMW dealerships and so forth. And I went to check the air filter. Is there a shortage of air filters? Or are we not changing them anymore? I don't understand. Take a look. So just checking to see what does it look like. I pulled the box off and yeah, look at this. I'm like, this doesn't look good. Something is not right here. And look at that. I start looking for a date. I'm trying to figure out, is that, let me see if I can get a shot for you. Is that 12, hold on, 120905? Is that the original filter that came out of the factory? Do we not change air filters anymore? Did it go out of fashion, or I don't understand. I'm just confused. This car that was serviced at BMW dealerships for years. I have the records. This is like a vintage air filter. Should be in a museum somewhere. Luckily, let me zoom out a little bit. I had saved one of the air filters. I think this was for the Z4. It only had a year or so, and it looks brand new. I think this is, yeah, it's the same one. So yeah, I'm gonna fit that for now. Make sure this is clean. It's not too bad in there. I'll do a little cleaning later. But yeah, I'm confused as to, this is the second BMW that I've used. I don't buy new ones. Does anybody buy new ones? Anyway, this is a second serviced BMW that I've purchased. Did I find this original 20-year-old air filters? If this has happened to you, comment below. I'm just curious at this point. Does nobody change air filters? What's going on? Anybody know? So anyway, I'm getting ready to go through this car and kind of discover it. It's a time capsule to me. I think I'm going to name it Time Capsule, and just go through and see what we got and what condition it's in, what needs to be done. Create a list. I think I'll bring you guys along on that journey, and we'll go through this car together and just create a list of everything that needs to be fixed and updated and corrected, so it can be a daily driver if you wanted to. So anyway, thanks for watching.